Hello friend, this is Jimmy from Can Have an Immigration Canada. This video I want to explain there are few different ways you can move to Canada under the new CUSMA agreement. This agreement is between three countries, Canada, United States and Mexico. So there are properly if you want to move to Canada under a quick time around. So this is one of the best option for all the professionals or the investors who are in United States or in Mexico and want to make Canada their new home or their new workplace. Eligible US Mexican citizens can skip some of the red tape to come to work and conduct business in Canada. This new CUSMA allows worker traders and investors to come to Canada without going through the LMIA process. Before July 1st, 2020, CUSMA, also known as North American Free Trade Agreement, NAFTA. So CUSMA work permit applicants who are arriving directly from the US can apply at the port of entry. They don't need to send their long paperwork. They can just go to the border and get their paperwork done. So if you look at the four type of categories under this agreement, the first one is CUSMA professionals, intra-company transfers, CUSMA traders and the investors. Let's go into each category and see their unique eligibility requirement. For the Canada-US-Mexico agreement, professionals need to have a pre-arranged job offer or a contract in Canada in one of the targeted options. There are 63 eligible occupations in the field of medicine, education, science, and there are some other categories. So you do not need an LMIA, just need a job offer or a contract. So then you are eligible to apply for this category. Depending on the profession, applicant need to provide education credentials and proof of work experience in their field. It is not for the people who want to be self-employed work in Canada. So this is not the category for them. This is only for the professionals. Now let's look at the second category, CUSMA intra-company transfer. USA or Mexican workers who are transferring to Canadian branch of their company may be eligible for this intra-company transfer visa. Transfer must be for temporary work in Canada. Eligible candidate need to have previously worked in their US or Mexican employer for at least one of the last 3 years in a position similar to the one they are going to take in Canada. They must be employed by the company at the time of their application. Their position must be managerial, executive, or involving specialized knowledge. The third category is CUSMA traders. These traders must be coming to Canada to carry out a substantial trade of goods or services between Canada and US or Mexico. Canada is considered as it a substantial trade when more than 50% of the trade is done between Canada and one of the other CUSMA country. The 50% can be comprised of their volume or the value of their trade. So now let's look at the last category. It is the CUSMA investor. CUSMA investor must make the substantial investment in a new or existing Canadian business, and they are coming to Canada to develop or direct the business. It's not a sleeping partner. You must be in a working condition, like you are doing day-to-day operation for your business. Work permit in the CUSMA investor category may also be granted to the essential staff members of the company. You just not be the CEO or a director or the owner of the company. Even you have a key managers who can take care of your business here. They can also be given work permit under this category. So that was a little update about this new CUSMA category, under which there are 4 ways to move to Canada under this category. So I'll keep you guys updated if there'll be anything else comes up. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.